Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with minimal steps, make them count. Sign in as an administrator, then export the entire registry, file, export, and save that. Reg file to an external drive. Once done, create a system restore point to return if needed, because registry changes are risky. Make sure to close all apps and note any custom drivers. Now open Regedit using Win+R, type Regedit, and accept the UAC prompt. You are now positioned to apply the reset precisely and safely. You will now focus on targeted resets. First, navigate to HKey local machine and HKey current user to locate keys causing issues. Search for known faulty entries by name. Backup exports let you delete only corrupted or suspect keys, do not wipe whole hives. Once you remove a problematic key, use file, import to reapply clean segments from your saved. Reg if needed. Make sure to refresh the view and validate dependent services. Restart those services before moving to the final completion steps. You are near the finish. Restart Windows so registry edits fully apply. Many changes require a reboot. If something breaks, immediately use System Restore or import your previously saved. Reg file to roll back. That's the only reliable recovery when edits go wrong. If problems persist, check Event Viewer for errors and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. Make sure to reapply driver updates and verify user profiles. These checks resolve most leftover issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.